Alright, I'm in a new spot. Hopefully I can make something happen. Oh shit, come back to it. Come back. Come back to it. There he is. Hey,
nice job.
How you doing, man?
I spent 4 months out here with Topwater stuff, thinking this has to be a good Topwater.
I tear him up right here, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you know what? I don't think I ever came out late like this. I was always early in the morning.
Oh yeah, it's got to be like right now or around 6 a.m.
Okay.
What's your name, man?
Jim.
I'm Cole.
Hey, Cole. Good job.
Yeah. Just what I was looking for.
So what kind is that?
It's a Yozuri mag popper.
Okay.
They're great. I usually replace the treble hooks with single hooks.
Yeah.
Just because I don't like hurting the fish.
Right. It messes them up so bad.
Yeah, I took a couple 3-4 pounder. Go back in there, buddy. Perfect. There we go. Oh yeah. Nice little bluefish. There he goes. Perfect. Perfect release. Very good. Oh, he's barely hooked. Yes. I was trying to get the net, but couldn't work out. That rod can flex. I was really worried about breaking it. That's a nice fish. Beautiful 10 pounds.